Welcome to Altitude, an architectural masterpiece epitomizing contemporary luxury in the heart of surfers' paradise. Currently owned by Culture Kings and One Life Club co-founder Simon Beard, this penthouse already holds the record as the most expensive apartment in the Gold Coast. But if it sells for its $30 million asking price, will set the record as the most expensive home ever sold in Queensland. This extraordinary residence spans an impressive 1,070 square metres across 4 levels, offering 360-degree panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean, vibrant cityscape, main river and hinterland through extensive glazing and wraparound balconies. Upon entering through the private lobby with a double-height void, the grandeur of Altitude unfolds. Host unforgettable events in the Grand Lounge Room, featuring a bespoke whiskey and wine lounge and a sophisticated dining zone with a double-sided fireplace. The state-of-the-art kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with Millet appliances, Court d'Azur stone bench tops, a walk-in pantry and a butler's kitchen, perfect for the kind of adept entertaining this home demands. With 5 spacious king-size bedrooms, including a master suite boasting stunning ocean views and luxurious dual en-suites, Altitude sets a new standard for indulgence. The master bedroom features an electric ceiling-mounted TV, custom bedhead, marble and leather cabinetry, and motorized blackout curtains. The bathrooms are adorned with Italian tiles, marble slab walls, hydrotherm heated towel rails, and Toto Japanese toilets. The apartment includes a total of 7 bathrooms, 4 of which are en-suites. Entertain, relax, or dine al fresco on the covered rooftop terrace. Take a dip in the highest private swimming pool and spa in Australia. No expense has been spared in its construction, ensuring top-of-the-line fixtures and fittings blend contemporary finishes with chic elegance. The location provides easy access to famous beaches, shops, cafés, nightlife and restaurants. Every aspect of this remarkable home is finished to perfection. Experience the pinnacle of luxury living at Altitude, where every detail has been meticulously crafted to offer an unparalleled lifestyle in surfers' paradise.